Hi guys, my name is Hemi, and today we'll be going over YLOG second grade worksheet lesson number 32. Okay, so today we'll be going over how to find perimeters. So perimeter is the total distance or length of the outside or like the outline of a shape. So in this case, in this rectangle, our perimeter would be right here. So in order to add that, we know that 7, they're identical, right? Since they are congruent, or the same, we put 7 here. And these are the same, so it would be 4 over here. Now, to find the perimeter, you just have to add all sides. So in this case, they did it right over here, 4 plus 4, and then 7 plus 7, and then they added that together, which they got 22 feet in total. So let's try this one out. So we are looking for the perimeter, right? Perimeter. So we would just simply add all the sides up. In this case, either way works, right? Because there's 4 sides because this is square. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. And then 6 plus 3 equals 9. 9 plus 3 equals 12. So your total answer should be 12 feet. Moving on, we have a triangle with side lengths of 4 feet. Okay, so in this case, we would add all sides. We have 3 sides. So this or this would work. If you already have your multiplication memorized, great. You already know the answer. If not, 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Final answer would be 12 feet. 4 times 3 also equals 12. Okay, we have a parallelogram right here. We are going to find the perimeter again, right? So they are not equal this time, so doing multiplication might be a little more tricky. So sticking to addition, we have 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5. This is 8, this is 10, right? 8 plus 10 equals 18. Total answer would be 18 feet. Okay, we have a pentagon right here. So we are looking for the perimeter. We can do 4 times 5 because there's 5 sides in pentagon. Or we can take the other route and plus 4 4 times. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Plus 4 equals 20 feet. Just like that. Okay. Moving on to writing fractions. Write a fraction that matches the picture. Okay, let's try number 1. So we have a square and it is divided into 4 portions, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 little sections. So the denominator should be 4. And how many squares out of the 4 are colored? There's 1 that's colored, right? So it'll be 1 over 4. Next one, we have another square. It is cut into 4 sections, right? So how many are colored out of 4? You would count 1, 2, 3, right? 3. Therefore, your numerator would be 3 over 4. We have a rectangle right here. It is cut into 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. So denominator 6, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 over 6. If you want to simplify this, it would be 2 over 3. Just divide it by 2. Divide it by 2, divide it by 2. Okay, we have a rectangle. How many times is it split into? It is split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares, so 6 sections. And then we have 1, 2. 2 colored in, so 2 over 6. Further simplified into that. We have a rectangle. and it is cut into 6 portions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Denominator 6, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes colored, so 5 over 6 would be your answer. Okay, moving on to word problems. So you see a square that has a side length of 6 feet. What is the perimeter of the square? Okay, we went over perimeters, right? So we should know how to do this. If it's a square, right, all sides should be congruent, right? Or the same, right? They should be equal. So if one of the sides are 6 feet, then the rest of the sides are also 6 feet. So basically you'll do 6 times 4. Or you can add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That is 12. This is 12. 12 plus 12 would be 24 feet. Always include your units in word problems. A side of an equilateral triangle is 7 feet. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. Equilateral means that they are have equal sides or same sides. So if it's a triangle with equal sides, 7, 7, 7. That's how it should look, right? Okay, so then we would just do 7 times 3, or 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 equals 21 feet. Okay, last one. Evan has 4 small cheesecakes. He eats 3 of them. Hannah has 5 cheesecakes. She also eats 3 of them. Who ate a greater fraction of cheesecakes? Okay. Evan has 4. Let's just erase this one. Evan has 4. Out of 4, he eats 3. And then Hannah has 5, but she eats 3. So who ate a greater fraction of cheesecakes? So quick tip on how to differentiate the greater fraction. So if you look at the denominator, since the numerator is already the same, you just look at these two. So the 4 and the 5. The greater the number goes, the smaller the fraction is, right? Because it's getting split into smaller pieces. So let's say this is split into 4. This is split into, oopsies, that's 5. So here, he eats 3. Here, she eats 3. But we see how Evan's is greater than Hannah's. It's because he ate a greater fraction. So therefore, who ate a greater fraction? It would be Evan.